Hello, everyone. Today's interview question for coding for DevOps. It's really not DevOps question, but what's happening lately I've seen is in the interviews, uh, even for DevOps, people are asking actual software engineering type coding, programming type questions. So we're just going to learn that. This one happens to be a super simple solution, but it took me a while to figure it out. So hopefully you would benefit from that. So basically what you have to do is you have to put a print one, the one digit one in binary and the decimal, but then we're going to shift the bit to the left one time and then print it again and again and again. We'll do it 10 times to see what we get. This is the whole idea of bit shifting. Sometimes you get this kind of a problem in LeetCode or HackerRank and whatnot. So you have to know how to do that. All right, let's get started. This should not take too long at all today. So first of all, for any Golang, we start with package main. Please don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel. That helps my channel, and I really appreciate it. All right, we have package main, and then we import the FMT package. If I could type, because you're gonna have to print stuff, so we're gonna need that. Okay, now we start the main function, and main function needs an empty arguments. Okay, so what do? First, we print one, just one, in two different formats, decimal and binary. FMT dot print F, not println, because we're going to format the printing. And what is going to be the format, right? First, we're going to print the number in binary. Then we're going to have a tab, so it's easy to read. And then we're going to print the same number in decimal. Now, we do that. Sometimes I don't want VS Code to help me, and it does. Okay. Now, what do we print? We print 1, 1. Okay, that doesn't seem to complain, so we're going to give it a shot, see what happens. Let's clear the screen from my previous runs of this. And we run. So what happened? Oh, we forgot to put an end of line character here. Otherwise, it's going to be a mess to read. Save that. Run again. So what did it do? We said, hey, print 1, just 1, right? And that 1 printed in the binary format. So what is 1 in binary? It's still 1. Then it said print 1 again. And this time, it interpreted as a decimal number. So that's still 1, no change, right? Now we're going to shift. So imagine if we have 00001, right? And we move that one bit to the left. What happens? It goes to the second bit. Now in binary, it's 2, and in decimal, it's 10. So how do we actually say it? How do we actually tell Golang to do the shifting? So we copy this, and we say, it's super easy if you know what to do. Less than 1, and same with less than 1. Okay, Command S. Let's print that. Literally, like it's almost like a picture, right? You're using the arrows to imagine what you're doing with the bits. So what happens? As a binary, it's 10, because now it's it's really 2, 1, 0. As a decimal, it's 2, because it's 1, 0. So let's see what happens if we do. And now I forget what the I wonder if I do it this way and this way. Come on, let's see if that works. Ooh, that did not work. That's not what I wanted to do. So maybe the format is 2. And let's see if that. Save that and run it. Oh, this one to take out. I put 12 in there. Me and my typing. And Command S. Let's see what that does. That's better. So now we said, hey, this time shift 2 bits. So now 1 became 1, 0, 0, which in binary is 4, and decimal, of course, is 100. So let's keep doing this 10 times as the problem stated. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 3, and this is 4. I'm sure it's boring as hell to watch, but shouldn't take too long to get there. 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, and 10, and 10. I don't know if Golang can tackle 10 bits, but let's see, maybe it can. Command save and run it. It could. So just as expected, as a binary number, it's 1, 2, 4, 8. So each time you're shifting, you're multiplying by 2. 1 becomes 4, 1 becomes 2, 2 becomes 4, 4 becomes 8, and so on and so forth, right? And then in decimal, it's just a number. It's just a decimal number. It's just 1 with 10 zeros and whatnot. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.